Hey, welcome to T Fun Coding. In today's video, we will discuss about how to use Jupyter Notebook. In the previous video, I told you about installation of Anaconda, in which various tools are present like Jupyter Notebook, Spider, VS Code, PyCharms, etc. If you don't watch that video, then I will give the link in the description box. Please go and watch that video. If you have done with the setup, like created a folder in Jupyter Notebook, then please watch this video. Then no need to see that video. Now came back to our point. Let's first create a file. Just click on this Python 3. By default, the name of your Python or you can say Jupyter Notebook is untitled. You can change your name by just clicking on it. Here I am writing name is first and then click on rename. Now if you want to write any code, then from here select code. By default code is selected. Let's say I want to add a simple heading before doing any program here. Just click on heading. Fine. Here from you can select level 1 heading, level 2 headings and then click on OK. Let's say I am writing demonstrate Jupyter Notebook. Then you can click on this insert cell below, this plus sign. Here these are known as cells, like this is first cell, this is second cell. Now let's say I want to add a markdown here. Suppose I don't want to write any code here. Before writing a code, I just want to add a markdown. Then click on this markdown. And let's say I want to write example Python code. Fine. Then simply click on this plus sign, or you can use shift plus enter to jump to next cell. Let's say here I write print. For running this cell, you can simply click on this run button, or you can directly use shift plus enter. When you use shift plus enter, then this cell will automatically run and shift you to another cell. Fine. To save this file, you can simply click on this button, and to add new cell, click on this. If you want to delete any cell, like I write here print hello again and then click on enter. Let's say I want to delete this particular cell, then just simply click on this. Okay. If you want to copy any cell, then just click on that cell and from here copy, and then you can use paste. Fine. To move any cell up or down, you can use these buttons. Like currently I am in this cell, I want to go up, then I use move selected up cell. Fine. Let's say here I write hello. Fine. Now I want to run this, and now I want to move this cell above this hello. Then simply click on this upper arrow. Fine. Other thing you need to know about this is here file option. In file option you can see if you want to create a new notebook, simply click on this. If you want to open any notebook which is already in your folder, then simply click on open. If you want to save, you can save here. You can also rename your file from here. Fine. You can download your notebook in HTML, IPNYB and Python. There are many formats in which you can download your notebook. Fine. The next is edit. You can go through this yourself. In view, same toggle header, toggle toolbar. If you want to insert cell, you can simply use from here. This is the simple uses of notebook. There is nothing difficult in using it. If you are using it first time, then it may be seem little bit difficult for you, but if you are already using Google Colab, that is Google Collaboratory, then it is very similar to that. Okay, when you use it again and again, then you will automatically find it's very easy. If you still have any doubt regarding to uses of Jupyter Notebook, then you can ask me in comment section. Thank you for watching this video.